Okay, so previously I had created this bump material, and I'm about to go ahead and apply it to specific spots of this mesh. But before I do, I think I actually want to try to affect the size of the bumps as far as like the height goes. So I think I'm going to just kind of zoom in on the color ramp, and I'm going to just bring these closer together. Let's see. Actually, let's. Okay. So I can really adjust this quite a bit and get a whole overlapping fish scale effect if I so choose. Whoops. Or if I go ahead and scale this down to more like what I'm thinking is something kind of like that. The other thing that I'm thinking of doing is getting these values to be much closer. You see, you'll note that this is flattened out quite a bit as I bring this closer to the dark value. And that's actually something I think I'm okay with. Um, so I think what I'm going to do that sort of creates flattens it off a little bit. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and adjust the value of this, lighten it up quite a bit, and we'll see what we get in that regard. Um, Part of what I'm going for is just a little bit more, I guess, a little bit more of a subtle effect. So let me just play around with this a little bit more. So, for what it's worth, I think that type of an effect is probably a little bit more in line with what I'm envisioning for this. So now, after this, I'll move on to applying the material.